Hi, where are we going?
Hi guys, welcome to Kambal Dworld. Today we're going to Walmart to shop for favorite stuff. Sanji's so excited. We're going to Walmart and I am really excited. Let's go.
Look at strawberry.
Sanji, peach.
Go. Tapos to get the coffee. Get your straw.
There
you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
I haven't tasted.
Got it?
Once you're done drinking, you put it in the cup holder, okay?
Look.
Put it in the
We
cup.
got some. What does mine taste like? Tastes like strawberry. What does mine taste like? Peach.
Which one do you like better?
I like
You like the strawberry or the peach?
I like the strawberry. Same.
Oh, you like the strawberry too? You don't like the peach?
I do like the peach.
Oh, you like the peach.
Strawberry really ain't, but
The strawberry is better?
I rate strawberry 8 out of 10. But
You want to try my
peach-
coffee then?
But I rate the peach 10 out of 10.
Try the coffee.
This is my dad's iced coffee. And
Okay.
that's my favorite. And my favorite is
Nice. Too strong? Too strong?
It's too cold.
Too cold. Not cold. It's too strong.
Where are you?
Yeah, we're here at Walmart. Finally, we're here.
Finally, we're here after 1 hour driving.
Yeah.
1 hour driving.
Look, this is Walmart. This is me going to Walmart. Can you see the logo?
Not that one, this one, over here. Hello, brother. Let's take this over.
Let's just
Okay.
take
Keep straight, and you're gonna make a right. Make a right. Push, push, push. One by one. Watch out, babe. Watch. This way. You gotta wait to the right. Yes. Keep straight.
Wait.
Keep going, straight. Mine's doing shopping. Let's go straight. We're gonna go shopping too.
My mom is against
Go make a lap. Yes. What is this?
I know.
I don't hit the bike. Keep going. And they're gonna make a left.
Toys. You see some toys? Who keeps wrapping me like this?
Alright, park your cart in the side. Put it to the side. Which one do you want?
Oh my gosh.
Look, what's this?
Just some old shops, even though we already have.
You already have that one? Let's go to the other section.
Oh yeah, that's our shop.
This section. Come.
This one, we're looking for some.
Look, this section.
Found this. I found this.
What's that?
A change our fun.
You like that one?
Yeah. It has trout and a bunch of other stuff.
This side, this side.
Also, let's get a bowl. This is yellow thing there. Which actually works.
Okay, put in your cart.
You can even. That's. I have that.
Yes, yes, put in your cart. That's your cart. That's
That's
Sunday.
a giant.
It's your cart. Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Wait, you only have $60 budget. Did you count how much is that? How much is this? So just check the price tag.
Is there any price tag?
They don't have price tag? It must be free then.
No, it's not. The cashew.
Alright, next.
One for me.
One for you. Okay.
I love those too. Another one. I want me.
Push your cart here. And park it to the side.
There's already a lot of stuff.
And park it here. This, park it this side. And then you're gonna go to this
Like a
section.
Minecraft.
Like Minecraft. Okay. Okay, just park it to the side.
Which one's mine? Elephants. Until you were built in the bag. Until you built in the bag
Okay,
later.
put it in the cart.
By the way,
What's that?
by the way, going to that we should already.
Here, this is a section right here. This is a Lego section.
8 plus. 8 plus. 9 plus. 8 plus. This is 8 plus. 8
Yes.
and 7.
Mm-hmm. It's fine, you can use it.
7 plus. Oh! Well, like 7 or more. Up to 7 or more. Like a sweet. Like a classic.
Alright, what do you got?
Lego flag.
Hmm?
Lego flag. No, more Lego flag.
Look at you kid.
You do realize you have only $60, right?
Yeah, then there's no voice tag.
Okay, it's okay.
Two Lego
It's
classics.
full of cart already. What's that?
I don't even know. How can I get it out?
Got it?
That's a toothbrush. Oh. Oh, that's not a toothbrush. What's that? I don't know. It's a... I know what are you gonna get?
Okay, that's it.
This is good.
Looks
What that? I also want Papa's traditional.
alright, that's it.
That's
Look at this. You just grab everything.
Sanji doesn't have that much. That's all I have. Time to go. I have a lot. We both have a lot. That's it for a that part.
Mhm.
Also, section like classic. Like a classic and Lego.
You know we're not getting all of this, right? Only a few of it. Cannot get the whole thing.
Here, let's just get all of the Lego.
around.
Look at this. Legos. Legos.
Let me scan them. Give me the one that you want. One that you want.
I want this one. This classic one. There's already
This
two.
one is $5.
That's good.
Wait. This one is $28.
What's this one?
Probably the same price.
Yeah, they're the same.
Check.
No, the green one is $24.
Since Legos are a little bigger.
Okay, what else?
$24. So you have here 30, 30, 25. How much is that?
I don't know.
50.
And $55.
$55. I guess that's all we can handle.
Oh, they already have on your budget.
They have $5
What about this? You want this one?
It has 98 cents.
You have 2 in there. Get the other one.
How cheap is that?
It's $1.
What about this? How much is this?
This one is $50.
Oh,
This one is
$50.
$50.
Too much? Okay.
$100.
You have 120.
Okay, what about this one? You want this one? Minecraft? Check how much?
Play some Minecraft. We just have all the Legos possible.
This is $16.
You want that?
Yeah, we both
So
got
now how much you have?
$16.
So you have 80 bucks already, almost 80 bucks.
So let's transfer the
You want another one?
$20 to that one. How much is this?
Another Lego? You already have a Lego.
This is $16.
16?
Yes.
You want that?
Yeah. I actually want to build some wheels.
Okay, what about that one?
Minecraft one.
Give me that one.
Yeah, that's
That one. We
You already have Minecraft. That one.
just a bunch of stuff.
This is a giant jar of fun. Let's see second. Okay, that's it. Now we have to return this. Okay, go Mansi.
How about this bowling one?
You already have bowling, right?
You didn't play it. You already squished them and must put in the garbage.
Oh boy.
You had the same one and the leg on the pins you broke them.
How much is it? I want to.
It's $9. Right here's the price.
234. I'm counting since I want to count to 10 million to break the world record of the highest number of cats, which is a million. 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271. You're done shopping? Yeah, I'm done shopping. I'm still counting.
Let's go. You're done shopping?
Done shopping now. Let's go home. It's so hot.
Careful.
What's that? Pudding sticker on the garage car.
Uh-oh, we got stuff in the car.
Get the stuff and put it in the car now.
You want to try to put it in the car? Put it in the car. Push, push. Stop counting now, stop counting. This is what
what we got. We're gonna go home. Hi guys. We're back from the store. We got the Lego. We're gonna unbox all of those Lego sets. Starting with Duplo and Lego Classic. Here's what's inside everything but Lojo. How do you open it, Sunday? Just lift this thing up. What does yours look? Yours looks even better. Yeah. And this is a Lego car. Unicorn! Oh wait, we don't need that right now. Let's see how they can run it. Yeah, I'm unboxing the classic.